In the truck, yo. Carbon dioxide out here in the house. Out here in the house. It's hot. Yeah, she started feeling dizzy, man. I started feeling like wheezy and stuff, man. It's like when I come downstairs right here, bro. Yeah. Right there, man, it's just all type gas fumes like hit my nose like
That's
I could.
One thing about CO, it's odorless.
Yeah, it's odorless, like you can't see it but it's just making your body feel woo. They came and cut off the hot water tank, man, and cut the gas. They rig tagged it, man. They keep coming out there. The landlord keep bringing these rigged up peoples, man. Man, they keep coming back. This right here is leaking, asbestos up in there. The house molded. It's just, man, we going through it with them, bro. Like, and we've been back and forth to the hospital. I've been exposed to it. Like, they ain't trying to get. We didn't call everybody. The shelter's full. The kids, man. I got a newborn baby right there, man. Like, we feeling all woozy and shit. Man, come on, bro. Like, I don't know what's going on with this smell, though. You can smell it once you get right here by the furnace, though.
All right.
Man, it's crazy, man. Huh?
Can you turn the heat up a little bit?
Yeah.
A weird smell going off. It's one of the first few times you did it this year.
I'm just visiting, man, because my daughter stay here. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, but I don't think you have going on. Let's see. Where's the beeping coming from?
The beeping?
Yeah.
They had to cut this. They cut the stove off because it was rag tag right here.
Okay.
So it's the water heater, right?
That's
turned off too.
Yeah, there's a
I
red
just looked, the gas line's been shut off.
All right, so the furnace, only thing that's running on is the furnace. We had the furnace on,
Okay.
and then it's like
You still have it on though?
I just turned it on. It was off. I turned it all the way off because I didn't know, you know, all this going on in this house, man. This kid's here. She just had a newborn. Like, yeah, it's got mold here, asbestos, had it. Yeah, man. I'm talking about the landlord here, man. It's crazy. They've been out here. They've been out here 3 times, man. The health department. They've been out here 3 times. She keeps sending these rigged up peoples, and I understand. She just lost her mom. She just had a, newborn, and it's like she's going through it, man. Like this been going on for a week, and it's scary. She don't want to stay here.
Oh yeah.
Like it's scary, man. They came here and they came back and said, "Oh, why did they turn it on?" Like it's scary. And her body was feeling woozy, and I was like, "Man, you might need to get up out of here." Like the public safety told her today on the phone, like, just be safe. You know, they shouldn't have you sitting here. Like all the shelters full. The kids feeling crazy. The baby just throwed up 3 times when I came here. 3 times. And she only 6 months. She's throwing up crazy. I'm talking about like punks and crying and crazy. Passion just went crazy. Like she did that like 4 times. I was like, why she never acted like that.
Yeah.
Kind of got a bug or something.
We put the furnace on and it kicked on. We're still not getting any readings, of carbon monoxide. So.
What about with the gas? No gas leak or?
Oh, no gas leak or carbon monoxide leak in this house. You can leave the furnace on if you want to, or if you need to tonight,
I think I'm gonna go to the hospital as well, man.
Okay.
Just to be on the safe side, man.
You gonna drive yourself though, or what?
Yeah, because I got the kids, man. Like, yeah, it's just sad, man, what she's going through, man.
Right, but yeah, there's nothing going on, no leaks here in this house. So
Right, because they cut it off. She just had today, but they cut it back off, so we're just trying to make sure she didn't know one spend the night staying here. Like
she's safe now, though, since we did these tests and that, you know.
But what about that waste? You know, she got a drain coming through here too, the bath.
I've seen it, but it's not giving off any poisonous gases or anything. Yeah. Yeah, you talking about down the cellar there?
Yeah, that, you seen that? What is that, man?
That's something leaking, you know.
Yeah, man. But that's still a hazard, man.
I know, but you got to keep getting on your landlord about that, you know.
Yeah, can't she be held accountable for that though, bro?
The landlord, yeah, you'd have to go to the district magistrate.
Right.
Yeah.
But wouldn't that be like a criminal charge, man? Like with everything that had happened, though, with them had to come out here and red flag that. Is that something like?
Yeah, if there's been red flag, did they restart it though? You know what I mean?
No, it's still red.
Flag.
Yeah.
Yeah. She better call her landlord tomorrow or even
Man, this
tonight.
ain't our problem where it's
Yeah.
like this lady every day. This lady threatening, talking about don't say that, be quiet and everything. Man, you playing with
Hell
people's
yeah.
lives, man.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
with that being said, who would like file a criminal charge for with it being red flag? That's like a criminal charge being exposed to poisonous, right?
Well, since they red flagged it, they shut it all down, so you're not getting any poison, but they should fix it. You know what I mean? Should send somebody out here.
She
to
lied
fix
and
it.
said they had to order a hot water tank, man. They got a hot water tank over here at Home Depot, man. Lied.
That
and
looks
said-
like it's a new one down there. Pretty new, you know?
Right?
Yeah.
What kind that is? It's just a high definition. Could you let me know what kind that is? I just want to know.
I just know by looking. I mean, I don't know what
You don't
kind.
mind, bro, because I don't know
What are you
that.
talking about? What kind
She talking about she had to order a high definition, like she was about to order, bro, a high definition TV.
Yeah.
I ain't never heard of that in my
Yeah, me
life.
neither.
A high definition water tank.
No, that's a regular water tank.
What kind is that? I mean, how many gallons is it?
It's a Reliance. I can't see the gallons on it. That looks like a 40 gallon maybe.
A 40 gallon.
Yeah.
And how many feet away you think that is from this furnace right here? How many feet you think that tank is?
10 feet. Is yes.
10
Yeah.
feet.
Yeah, they could be a lot closer, you know what I mean? Right. Mine's a lot closer than that. Okay. Yeah, you could ask the medics, you know, but they're gonna tell you the same thing I did. Okay?
Yeah. Straight slumlord, that man. So
Yeah,
that's a
pretty
sewage-
much.
That's a sewage plant, but she can be held accountable for.
Yeah, but you have to get the ball rolling by going to a district magistrate out here.
Okay.
He's up in charge.
Okay.
That's where you file charges.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
On the 29th, and she sent somebody out on the 30th,
Yeah.
and
Appreciate you, man.
Okay, no problem.
he didn't fix it. He went down there and did something that wasn't fixed. And she came back Friday. I mean, the health department came back Friday and checked it again. It was still back there.
Yeah.
And so both times she called the gas company
Yeah.
and had them red tag it.
Okay.
And then this Friday they red tagged it again, but then they checked the furnace.
Yeah.
The furnace was missing like some type of button to turn it off and on, so that was rigged up some type of way.
Yeah, it came on when we turned it on. It's still on now. It's
Okay.
running. We still didn't get any readings.
That's
alright?
good
So,
though. I
Yeah.
don't want it.
Okay. Yeah, no gas or carbon monoxide in there, or sewer gases leaked. Okay. So,
Okay.
all right.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to maybe go to a magistrate if your landlord ain't helping you out. You know.
Yeah.
Right, 'cause he seen that sewage drain down there.
Yeah.
That sewage drain.
Stuff leaking out of it. Yeah.
Yeah.
And he said that's like a criminal charge. You gotta go up there.
All right. We'll see you. All right. Take it easy. All right.
Thank you very much.
You're all good on that.
You too. Thank you. Horrible. She told me. It's cracked. Look out there, the whole pipe. It's cracked. All of this. too. Got old. She said she replaced everything.
Everything was new.
Then had that same plumber that so-called fixed my hot water tank tell her, yeah, the kids must have put something in his pipe. So three other men came out after him and said, no, yeah, the pipe is old, you can tell. You just need to replace it. She's like, yeah, the house is 100-something years old. Right, so why I thought my kids did it? Because when I talked to her on the phone, that's what she told me.
We still have the same pipe he checks it constantly.
Huh?
We still have the same pipe that she has.
Right.
We check ours constantly.
Yeah, because
And
it's...
ours have changed from here to the street.
Right.
And everything's been in here except for that one spare
Right.
He checks it all the time.
This thing is rusted up in here. Whenever I had to fix the ceiling, when it was just open, the whole pipe is completely rusted. I got pictures and everything of it, videos, everything. It's completely rusted. And instead of you just saying, okay, I'll fix it, she said, oh, well, your kids must have did it. I'm not fixing it. Call a plumber. I can't afford that. This is not my house.
Always has been.
Had us in here with no heat from Friday to Sunday. No heat. She said there was nothing she could do. I mean, they tried to check the furnace and the furnace shut down because it was missing that button, so they couldn't turn it back on. And she didn't come out till Sunday, so the hospital had to put us in a hotel. I'm terrified. I don't even want to be here anymore. I'm terrified. Cause it's just like you sent this man here and he didn't know what he was doing. He went down there and cut a piece off. Alright. He was very young.
Go, man.
So he was your other son. Because I remember the other one, he was kind of young. And he came to do my
They look
and then
at
there's one
the
younger.
paper.
Okay, so that's probably him.
They was doing something. They changed it. They
Yeah,
changed
because
it.
he tried to replace.
Yeah.
She was an addict at one time too, but she got herself clean. I have to give her that. She got herself clean.
Right. Very. Very. And
I'll never forget when she lived here. She had this little boat thing. You know them things that people ride around, that scooter thingies. That once you heard about it,
I'm like, yeah.
I don't know what this sucker was because it was like this little itty bitty scooter. She played on it. She says he goes fast. I know because I got a new pipe. Because I thought it was a weed whacker. I'm hearing this weed whacker. This weed whacker.
She was young. Oh my goodness.
What is that? Oh, she comes up here. She's like, oh, I got a new pipe on. Everything flies up and I'm like, oh, just like that.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. I wonder how they can't live in Pittsburgh. Because once you think that guy is a problem, it's not connected to that stuff. So it's not even letting out.
The vents.
Right. Right. And this one is not even connected. So he came out, cut a piece off on the inside of the pipe and had a problem on the outside. And on the inside, because he said it's not supposed to be like this, it's supposed to be on a slant. So it is flat.
Right. What are you saying about the
That's what he asked her today. The guy said, well, no. Right, now that's what I think she's about to get a newer one, is what she's saying. The gas company told her they were going to try to figure out how to fix it at first. Had it on and everything. Not really good for it, but they had it on. If I didn't call the gas company, if I would have still been there. They had it on and she's like, yeah, just for a second. Oh, you shouldn't have the phone. Why would you find a phone? Right.
Ceiling crack.
Right here. Right here, like that.
She put that up while she was pregnant. That's some cardboard right there. Still smell. Scent come through here. Going to the dining room. All the way out to this right here. Come through here. This the kitchen. This right here leads down to the basement. Here we go right here. This is where all the foul smell is coming from right here as well, through this crack right here. You can see all of this feces from, look at all this, just smell. All this down. Mold. That's mold. 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 All this shit. Mold. Take you back through here. Back right here. Who did this right here? Who put this up right here?
I did.
How many months pregnant was you?
8 months pregnant. Yep.
She told you what when you did this today?
She said that I did a good job. Thank you.
And that's crazy. She couldn't even go and get no sheetrock. And all this right here, feces. This right here is a hazard to the kids, the baby, All of this is just coming apart in this house. You get what I'm saying? All this is old. All this right here is where water sinking in from upstairs. Yes. Wow, yeah.
Come on, you ready?
Gotta make sure everything is everything. It's right here. It's basically where it all started, all around this. You feel me? It's coming through. It's where the water can leak right here. Mushrooms going through there. Cooling down here. It cracked. That's what it is, man. That's what she said.